Welcome to STDFarms. My name is Zalia Alassan, and if you've not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel, share and like. Okay, today I'm here to talk about some small insects that we've noticed here. I learned they are called flakes and others call it jumpy. So we are here to disinfect the place. So if you could see, the animals are not here. We stuck them outside to enjoy some fresh air so that we'll be able to disinfect the place. So after that, for some time when the place is dry, we will make them come back inside. So that is STD for you. We make sure that every day we bring new things for you as we are all learning, and we welcome your comments and advice. Thank you.
See, this is not a peace song, it's a love song. Peace ain't gonna get married, keep the love strong. See, a peace we cannot risk. War at home is like cardiac arrest, cause home is where the heart is. Let the trumpet sound victory. The battle that we won is a battle for a peace. We promise.
As you can see, I'm disinfecting the pen. So after the place is dry, we will bring the animals back inside so that all the insects will die. So STD for you. Now I'm done on the outside. I'll go inside and continue from there also. Come back. As I said earlier, I'm coming back to the pen to spray inside, and as you can see smoke all around. We were told by the veterinary officer that the insects hate smoke, so that is why we set some fire around so that there will be smoke in the pen, so that it will drive those insects away. So as you can see, I'm here, there is smoke around, and at the same time I'm coming to spray inside also, so that as the spray is killing them, the smoke is also killing them. Welcome back. Thank you so much to our cherished subscribers for always liking, commenting and subscribing to our YouTube channel. As we said, we are done with the spraying of the pen. Now we pray that whatever we did here will be successful. All the insects will be gone and dead. So thank you so not subscribing to our YouTube channel, STDFarms. They're always the best.